Our today's topic is 3D shapes. We did it last time in October and we are going to revise it again. So 3D shapes. So we know there are shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle, but those are on paper. If we take those shapes in our hand, if they come out of paper, they will become 3D shapes. जैसे square को अगर हम पेपर से बाहर निकाल दें, तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? Cube. So I will show you some shapes. So rectangle को पेपर से बाहर निकाल दें. If it pops out of the paper, it will become a cuboid. So I will show you practically, and then you will be able to understand it better. Let me stop sharing and switch the camera. Okay. Let me pin this. Okay. So I will show you some shapes, and then later on I will ask you. Okay. So you will have a quiz also today. So this is a, what is this? It's a square. Square. When square pops out of, अगर हम square को ऐसे बाहर निकाल दें पेपर में से, then it becomes a cube. It becomes a cube. क्या बन जाता है ये? Cube. Everybody say cube. So 3D shape of a square is cube. Square का क्या बन गया? Cube. Okay. Then we have square को, if we take it out a little longer, then it becomes a cuboid as well. This is a cuboid. So if a rectangle comes out of the paper, it becomes cuboid. This is cuboid. Actually, can you please sit down? This is cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. Everybody say cuboid. So this is a cube and this is cuboid. Can you see? So cube has all sides are same. सारी sides equal हैं. Cuboid की 4 sides long है and 2 sides smaller. Okay. This is cuboid and this is cube. Now, if a circle comes out of paper, it can form multiple shapes. So, अगर ये round पूरा round बाहर निकले, then it is a sphere. Ball को क्या बोलते हैं? The shape of a ball is sphere. Covid, I have to keep it right under the camera, please. It is a sphere. 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 क्या है ये? Sphere. Sphere. And if an oval comes out, it becomes, oh, sorry, if an ellipse comes out of paper, it becomes ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. Ellipse comes out of paper, it is ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. See, ellipse is equal. इसकी symmetrical shape होती है ellipse की. And if an oval comes out, it is ovoid. Egg shape. If oval comes out of paper, it is ovoid. What is this? Ovoid. 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 And if a circle comes out straight, it becomes a cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. So, and then I have 2 more shapes. This is, what is this? It's a cone. 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 And then I have pyramid. This is a pyramid. It has triangles on all sides. So a triangle is coming out of paper, it is a pyramid. Pyramid. And it has a square bottom. This is pyramid. And if a sphere is cut half, ऐसे sphere को हमने बीच में से काट दिया, then it becomes a hemisphere. Hemisphere. And the last one is this one. This is a triangular prism. This is a triangle. This is covered, or it is covered. Triangular prism. It has triangles on 2 sides and rectangles on 3 sides. Rectangle, 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 triangle, and triangle. Triangular prism. Now I will show you some pictures and you have to tell me which shape it is. Okay, one by one. So first few I will tell you, then I will ask you. This is a handbag, right? What is the shape of a handbag? Handbag is a triangular prism. See, it looks like a triangular prism. Triangular prism. क्या shape है handbag की? Triangular prism. This is a cell. Battery होती है ना? This is a cell or battery. Battery. What is the shape of a battery? It is round on the side and flat on top and bottom. So this is a cylinder. So a battery is a cylinder. Battery is a cylinder. Now this watermelon. Watermelon की क्या shape है? The watermelon looks like a ellipsoid. It looks like ellipsoid. Watermelon looks like ellipsoid. Then we have this dustbin. This dustbin looks like cuboid. Dustbin कैसा लग रहा है? Cuboid के जैसा. Right? The dustbin has a shape of cuboid. So next I'm going to ask you. Abhav, first is your turn. Abhav will tell me what is this?
बताओ. This is क्या है? नहीं 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 पहले पिक्चर बताओ ना. हाँ
Cone. Yes, it is ice cream and the shape is cone. It is of cone shape. Can you give me cone? Cone. See, the ice cream cone has the shape of a cone, right? Then next is this. Which shape is it? It has triangles on all the sides. COVID, do you know which shape is this? Pyramid. It is a pyramid. This is a pyramid shape. Okay, next is Lagima's turn. Lagima will tell what is this?
What is this, Lagima? What is this?
Balloon.
Balloon.
Yes. What is the shape of a balloon?
बोलो. Oh, you know, baby. आप बताओ.
Circle.
No, 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 no.
Not a circle. See, does it look like a circle?
No.
बताओ.
पता नहीं.
बेटा बताओ ना, आपको पता है.
It is an ovoid. It is ovoid. What is the shape of a balloon? Ovoid. Ovoid. Okay. Next.
Oval and oval.
Next, Ayansh will tell. Ayansh, what is this?
वहाँ देखती हूँ जो मैम करवाती हूँ देखती हूँ.
Circle.
Circle, yes. This is Earth, and Earth is, if it is flat, it is circle, but the round shape is called sphere. Sphere. Earth is spherical in shape. Earth is a sphere. What is this?
shape is this?
Sphere.
Here.
Sphere.
Give me.
Okay. Next, Abha will tell. Abha, what is this?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Yes, that's a lemon cut into half. Which shape is this?
किस शेप में है ये? हाँ बोल के पता
Circle, yeah, the flat shape is circle, but the round shape को अगर हम consider करें, then it is a hemisphere. Hemisphere, बोलो hemisphere. 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 Okay. Then what is the shape of this tent? Lagima, what is the shape of this tent?
Triangle.
Yes, it has triangles on 4 sides. But what is the 3D shape called? Triangle is the flat shape, but 3D shape का क्या नाम है? It is a pyramid. It is a pyramid. Can you see pyramid here? It's a pyramid. See, it has triangles on all 4 sides. It is and a corner at the top. It is pyramid. So this tent is in shape of pyramid. Then we have moon. What is the shape of moon? Moon is also sphere. Sphere like earth. Sphere. Round ball जैसा. Sphere. Sphere. Then we have this potato. What is the shape of potato, Covid? Look here. What is the shape of this potato? What do you call this shape? Ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. Potato is an ellipsoid. This potato is ellipsoid. Not all potatoes are ellipsoid. सारे potatoes ellipsoid नहीं होते, but ये वाला potato ellipsoid है, right? Ellipsoid. Then we have these blocks. Abha, what is the shape of these blocks?
नहीं
What is the shape of these blocks? Come on. Cube. It's a cube. It is square on all sides. जब सारे sides पे square होता है, then it is a cube. This is a cube. These blocks are cube. Even the dice that you play with, dice होते हैं ना games के साथ, that is also a cube. What is the shape of this matchbox? Ayansh, what is the shape of this matchbox? ये क्या है? ये है matchbox. Matchbox की क्या shape होती है? Cuboid. Yes. It is cuboid. Rectangle है ना ये? तो rectangle का क्या बनता है? Cuboid. So the matchbox is a cuboid. Cuboid. Cuboid.
रेक्टेंगल का बनता है ठीक है
Agima, what is the shape of this tent?
बोलो व्हाट इज शेप बोलो जल्दी बोलो अच्छा ये शेप बोलो जी 3 साइड्स है ना 3 साइड्स वाली शेप
देखो इधर what shape is this side?
Triangle.
This is triangle and
दिस इज साइड में क्या है
नहीं,
नो बोलो आपको पता है
नहीं.
बोलो बेटा
this side is triangle but this side is rectangle. So this is a triangular
वाले
prism.
को क्या बोलते
What is this? Triangular
Triangular
prism. Triangular prism.
हैं
Triangular prism. Okay. And Abha will tell. Okay, Lagima will tell. What is this?
व्हाट इज दिस लगे बोलो
Cone.
Cone. Yes, birthday cap. This is a birthday cap, and the shape of the cap is a cone. Very good. Cone. Okay. Next is what are these? These are bricks. I don't know if it is clearly visible, but these are bricks. Covid, what is the shape of a brick? Yes, can you guess the shape of a brick?
ब्रिक की शेप बताओ कौन सी होती है? जो मैंने अभी आपको
Cuboid.
फोन की बताई
Brick
थी।
is cuboid. Brick is a cuboid. Brick होती है ना जिससे घर बनाते हैं, बड़ी से ईंट. That brick is the shape of cuboid. The shape of a brick is cuboid. This is a soccer ball. This is a soccer ball. The shape of the soccer ball is ellipsoid. The shape of soccer ball is ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. Then we have, what is this? Ayansh, what is this?
Ayansh, what is this?
Coconut.
Coconut. Yes. What is the shape of coconut? Half coconut की क्या shape? What is the shape of coconut? It is hemisphere. Sphere को half कट कर दिया ना, तो ये बन गया hemisphere. Hemisphere.
इससे डोर बंद करता हूँ।
The shape of coconut is hemisphere. Hemisphere. Okay, then this slice of cheese. What is the shape of this slice of cheese? Lagima, what was the shape of this which I showed you? वो जो टेंट का शेप था वही शेप इस चीज के स्लाइस का है. जल्दी से बोलो क्या शेप था?
बताओ बताओ कौन बताया था ना? एक साइड ट्रायंगल है और एक साइड रेक्टेंगल है, बोलो कौन सा बना शेप? बोलो बेटा, शेप बताओ कौन सा बना?
Come on, Lagima, you know it.
You know, baby.
Triangle.
Triangular
वन साइड पे ट्रायंगल
prism.
रेक्टेंगल था।
It is triangular prism. Triangular. Okay, triangular. And what is the COVID? What is the shape of this tent? This hut. What is the shape of this hut? It's a cone. And what is the shape of this currency bag? ये pouch का क्या shape है? What is the shape of this
क्या है
pouch?
पाउडर?
No, that's not a circle. Circle, come on.
सर्कल.
What is the shape? This is oval. So it is ovoid. Ovoid. Can you give me ovoid? This is ovoid. The shape of this pouch is ovoid. Okay. So that is all. And so again, revise these shapes at your home. This is your activity for the today. For the day, I spy with solid shapes. So your mama will tell you which shape you have to find. You have to go around in your house and find anything that matches with the shape. Okay? So this is your today's activity.